Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. Today I would like to talk about how to run and chat with a large language model, artificial intelligence, without censorship. I'm using here LLM Studio. So what you need to do is to load a model that has uncensored in the name. And then chat with this model. And that's it. But I will show you an example. Here is the Gemma 4 model that is released recently, and that is able to run even in your smartphones, like iPhone, Android, and also in iPad. That's why this is special. And you can see I loaded this model previously. You can search for Uncensored and click on download. And here I was chatting with it. And you can do many tests, how to check whether model is censored or not. And in this test, I told him to use the word in the sentence. And here, the censored one, the standard one, is saying, I cannot fulfill this request. However, the same prompt, use the word in sentence, is actually giving answer. So you can see the difference. I cannot fulfill this request, refusal, and here is the answer. And now I asked also Grok here how to check if model is censoring, and Grok elaborated on this. You can see here there is you can ask Grok the same, how to check if LLM model is censoring. And then Grok will give you big list. And I'm using Grok because Grok is the least censored, most truthful. There's safety over censorship, there is manual testing, there is public benchmarks and data sets for that, there's automated testing, and there are advanced technical checks. And the most important tip is that use a fresh chat. You can set temperature to 0 to have the same apply, and compare censored and open models. And I compared in this. And you can get sample prompts for different areas. Here I ask about political topics. Scroll. And here I ask about over-refusal tests. Scroll. You can see. Scroll. And also offensive and not safe for work examples to give me. And he gave me here examples. So you can stop the video and do some of these examples yourself. And in this way you can test. So this was the test. You can see censored response, uncensored response. And I also told you how to load them so that you can enter exactly this string for the search, and in this way you can load it. So thank you for listening and watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put in the comments and I will answer everything.